Hi, Ethan. I said hi. Hi. Okay. What do you got here today? This your motorcycle? Yeah. Can I see it? No, hang on. I want to see it first. I don't want you to drive it yet. Whoa. That's a cool. It has buttons right there. Can you show me? Where do I turn it on and off at? That's off. What about, what does that button do? Does that turn it on? And how do you make it go? Show me. Is it charged? No. Oh. Press the button. The other button. Make it go backwards. Yeah, it works. It has charge too. Whoa. Hold on with two hands. You don't have your helmet on right now. Whoa, you like it? Whoa. See, it's a three-wheeler. It's kind of safe, but we still need a helmet for him. Whoa, be careful. Be careful. So it has your on and off switch. Kind of good traction on the bike. Has a storage compartment in the back. Whoa, do that again? Whoa. The brakes don't really work. Straighten out the wheels before you fall. What is that? That's the on and off. Press it and see what you got. Hang on though. I think we're running. Oh, it's off. Press it, go. Whoa. Hold on with two hands. Okay. What does that say? I'm lost. Yeah. It has buttons. It also has a light on it. Just a little typical motorcycle for a 2-year-old. Did you get this for your birthday? Yeah, he got it when he turned 2. This was his motor. When you were a baby? Yeah. Okay. Oh. What is it? What is it? What is it? 9999. Okay, be careful, don't fall. Okay. Nice little 3-wheeler. He has his collection of power wheels. Can you show me the trunk area? What do you got in there? Oh, the trunk. What's in there? I slammed it too hard. You put a rock in there? Has a little foot pedals. They don't do nothing. They're just there for show. The brakes, they don't stop nothing. They're just there for show. This is your power button. Whoa. This is your forward. No, backward. Forward. Whoa. On and off switch. Whoa. Fast little bike whenever it's charged. It's not charged right now. What? Hang on, hang on. You're gonna crash. Whoa. Pull it out now. You crashed. Let me help you. Beep, 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 beep. Okay. So there goes this little motorcycle. Power wheels, or whatever you want to call it. Pretty cool. I got it, baby. It's not gonna have an owie. You just want to crash it, don't you?